that leads to the saying. So, if your boss is playing with your hours, people say he's playing with my money. He's playing with your money because he's playing with your time, right? That's what your mind thinks. And so people that think like that are people that think time is money. You hear people say, man, I need more, man, time is money, time is money. The reality is time and money is money. So whoever came up with that concept saying time is money, that's someone who was in a job. They have allowed themselves to say that I'm only worth this much money and I have to give my time in order to get money. But think about it. People say time is money because it takes time to work to get something done. So that's only somebody that's in a job. Only people that have jobs think like that. People that totally just create, you can't tell me $20 an hour is good. You can't tell me $40 an hour is good. You can't tell me $100 an hour is good. You can't tell me $200 an hour is good. You can't tell me $500 an hour is good. But what you can tell me is I have the time to create as much money as possible. If you stop looking at time as money and you look at who controls your time controls your money. Think about this statement. He who controls your time controls your money. So therefore, if I say I'm going to allot you 10 hours a day and you've already agreed that you are only worth $20 an hour, I control your life. I control 10 hours of your life and I'm controlling your money. We give away our power because we give away our time. Now, entrepreneurs, true entrepreneurs like myself, an 8-hour day ain't nothing. That ain't nothing for me. 16 and 20-hour days is how I get stuff done. My compensation is massively over a $20, $30, $40, $50 job, right? Because I don't look at money and base it off of I'm going to work this amount of hours to get compensated this amount of money. I want to make large amounts of money and then let that money work for me. When we're talking about, people with my boss messing with my time, well, he's not messing with your time. He controls your time. That was the agreement that you made. You gave up your time. So he who controls your time controls your money. In Masternomics, entrepreneurship, I'm teaching you how to control your time. Take back control of your time and you take back control of your life. Now, at the beginning of anything, you're going to have to put more time into it. So you're going to have to put more time into your business. So don't think you can just start a business and it's going to, just do like this and it's going to make, what you're making at your job. You haven't put no time in it. So people are programmed and trained to give 10 hours, 20 hours, or what is it, 40 hours a week, and then people are working doubles. They're giving all this time to somebody else. They're giving their time to a boss and he's controlling your money. What if you put all that time into yourself and then you could take a break when you wanted to? That's freedom. When you could buy something when you wanted to. When you could afford the best healthcare that you wanted. That's freedom. So this is what pure entrepreneurship is about. It's about controlling your time. He who controls your time controls your money. So if you don't want to worry about that boss playing with your paycheck, playing with your time and messing with your hours, you take back control and you control your time. Start a business, be focused, and control your time.